what we are going to do is we want to create an addition in between this value and the negative of this value so that we can minimize our Galapagos. Because the larger this becomes, right? The larger this becomes, the minimum this becomes as well. Because when you add something negative to something positive, it goes down. And the value in between, so the deficit in between, the smaller it becomes, the more benefit we will have, because this is the benefit part of the sun, right? So what I'll be doing here is to create a number and put this number in, and I'll grab a Galapagos component, and I'll be putting the fitness value is this, and my genomes are gonna be a bit of a, as you know, a party, right? So this is gonna be my first genome. Second gonna be is this one. Sorry, third one is gonna be this one. It's not finished yet. We'll be doing the same for this one. Doing for this one. And doing for, last but not least, this one. Okay, so for the speed of our analysis, what I'll be doing, I'm not going to run this on 1. I'll be running this on 5. Okay, just to have kind of a faster results here. And we can have this in, and we want, for this one, we want to have a bit more red lines here. And I can preview almost everything off at the beginning, right? This is off. So let's see what we can do here. So I'll come over here, minimize. My solver is going to be this. Let's preview every result in Rhino screen. I hope it's gonna be a bit fast, hopefully. And let's run this solver now. So I click run, and we started to see results, but it goes really high, really low, really high, really low. I mean, since we don't have kind of a height restriction here, it goes up and down, up and down. And it's looking for a massing that is suitable for our use case. And obviously the ones that we are putting here, the numbers that we are putting here, they're gonna go down, because the lower we have, the more energy we can create here in the height. So let's see what it's gonna be ending up. So I'm gonna pause the recording somewhere. Is it too, let me see something. Okay. So probably we connect something in a wrong manner, because the floor heights are gonna go crazy. This cannot be happening here. So I want you to make sure scaling factor is this is this, floor height is this, and this is pretty much everything. But why it's going so up, not sure. Maybe for this one, we are having really small values here. That is the problem, you see. So one thing I wanted to check here while making this false as well, and I can connect this over here. One thing I need to double check here is you see, when we have something as such here, something like 15, then the area gets really small, right? Really small. So one thing to consider here, maybe just take this out and connect this all in. So instead of this one, I will be connecting this one and this one here as my geometry. So then the area of this is, let me see my polyline curve here. Oh, okay, now it's getting really small due to the length of this. So one other thing we can change here is maybe I take this out. I am taking this out, right? This is happening here. And this is going too small. So maybe we can edit this by having it like 0.65. Okay. And adding this here. And maybe for this one as well, we take this out. We don't need this, we don't need this, we don't need this. Because the results are a bit off here, so I'm just deleting this. And we can edit this one too with, like, let's say this time 0.70 to 0.90 or 85. Okay, so this might give us a lot better options, and we can have, like, I don't know, 5,000 or 750 for this. Okay, and for that one we can have this square meter limit. It's maybe this is too big, you know, so we know this is not going to be too much now, even if it's really small. And when we add more, we go down. I mean, again, it's completely up to you. Have to play around with this, but let's check this now. Let's run this and let's run the analysis as we minimize the results. Minimize it so we see all the results. Run this now. Yeah, this is way better. It's fine-tuned now. It doesn't go super crazy. When you copy and paste a lot of things, obviously you see some different results, right? And that makes sense, because I forgot to change the values. You see it goes super high at some portions, it goes super low. So, well, we'll be starting to see some results here. So that's pretty much it. Maybe I can take this a bit here in the meantime as I speak to you, maybe within this view. So you still see it's searching for the best value or minimized value. And that's pretty much it. And I hope you enjoyed this playlist. I'll see you in the next one.